Hello traders and welcome to this trade update here. It's Stu Nopan here, founder of Master of the Markets A-Trace Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are based on this trade at the moment on the Dow Jones. Where did we take it? We took it at this consolidation here, okay? We're just a little bit over 3,453 pounds over here. Now, what was the basis of this particular setup? The basis was that because we know our stats in terms of our quantified highs and lows, that usually it will confirm its low or high within 5 days and three trending bars. Okay. Now over here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days have already happened, and but however three trending bars are not there. So either one of them has got to be fulfilled. So I know that the probability of it confirming becomes low, so therefore I continue in its top to bottom direction. So that's what we were looking at. And we saw this bar take out this high, but then in just 10 minutes, it just dropped 300 points, and we saw some velocity coming in. And that's when we took two positions on there, as you can see, for help us for scaling out position as well in terms of this particular trade. Now, traders, what you can see over here is that how will I be trailing this stop today? That's what I wanted to cover, a trailing stop loss, okay? Now, in terms of a trailing stop loss mechanism, what can we do about this particular position? Now, one philosophy we can always use is that if you've got two positions here that you have taken, one, we can always follow a conservative stop, and the other, we can follow a tight stop. Okay. Now, in terms of the conservative stop, do remember also that it depends on your objective, right? I've talked about this a lot of times in all our seminars and conferences, workshops. Depending on your objective, then you would determine how conservative or how tight you want to be. Now, we want to take this all the way to this low here. Now, that's quite a bit of a move, right? So if you want to do that, you must be prepared to see some of these gains go away in unrealized profits. All right. So considering that in mind, then we got to ask ourselves, okay, how conservative and how tight? Now, firstly, definitely you can see that this is a distribution bar. 686 more than 1.5 ATR. It's even actually more than even 2 ATR, right? So the last thing I really want to do is give back all this profit over here, which is about 2 times that. So definitely one of the positions on conservative, I will trail my stop to break even. So this is 26843. Let me see if the market allows me to do it. Probably not because it's closed at the moment. So I would trail this to 2 pips, 2 points below that in this case, 26841. Okay, 26841. So let me see if I can do that. 26841. Um, yeah, that's right. So as I imagine markets close. Anyway, so let me just tell you how I can do that, and then you can understand the philosophy of this. So first thing first, I would trail one of the thing conservative. Let's say this one is the conservative one. So that I will trail to 26848. Okay, 26848. Okay, that's where I entered it in. Now the other one, traders, the tighter stop loss, right? Now I could either do, because I want to take 30% on this whole move, I could do that. 30% is 26347, and I just got to make sure that that is at least, let me see, it's at least 1 ATR away. Yeah, it's more than 1 ATR away. So I can do that as well. So 26347, so 26352. Okay. 2, 6. In fact, it's a spread, isn't it? Spread of 6 pips, I believe, usually we got. So in this case, check with your broker as well what spread you got. 2 pip lever 8. So 263. What do I have? 26355. Okay, 26355 is my tight stop loss, and the conservative one I'm just going to break even. Okay, 26848 as I've mentioned. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. 26848, and the other one is 26355. All right. So that's what we are doing here. In this case, I cannot lose in this position any further because I've already locked in some profits on the second one, and the first one is just breaking even. So that's how you do it on this particular trade and philosophy. Of course, you can always develop your own parameters, but have a philosophy, have a principle that you are putting your parameter along. As the principle over here was one of the positions conservative stop and the other one is a tight stop. And then after that, and choose your tools accordingly and your parameters accordingly to match with that principle. Okay? Alright, I believe that this video has been helpful. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.